Yes, yes, definitely. Don't worry. I'll repeat it when everything. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. My mistake. So I have to be right. No worry. Don't worry. Okay. I can say sorry. Okay. Thank you. Please understand. Sorry, guys. Okay. What happened? It's a quick revision for everyone then, offline, guys. Let me start it, buddy. Okay. Let me start it. Let me start it. Okay. I used to see this message in top, right? But I don't know. Today I didn't open the message also. Okay. Fine. No problem. See, what we have to do, I was just going with this sheet actually. Okay. In this sheet, okay, we do have some Linux command that we have done it. Okay. Like if you go to the PWD, it's a present working directory that you know that. Then we have gone to the CD. CD is something called a change directory that we have done that. Yes. Okay. A new folder. Okay. Then after that, we do have something called RM directory. RM directory means remove the directory. That means you wanted to delete the directory. Okay. Now next is CP. CP means what, buddy?
Copy file.
You are copying some file. Okay. That is called a CP. LS means list. List down the file. Okay. What are the file folders? Whatever it is there inside that directory. What all are there? That will list out. Okay. Next is ls-l. It will go with the details like when it is created, what access it has. Okay, that it will go. Then next is touch. Touch means to create a file. Till that point, we have VA. VA is a editor actually to type something in your file, right? VA editor. Okay. Similar to that, we have gedit also. Gedit also same, but thing is it will go for your Linux machine. Okay. Next is clear. Clear means it will clear the content of your screen, not file, screen. Okay, good. And now we have a MV. So we are about to discuss this MV. Okay, online guys, clear so far? Online folks, clear, right? Washim, Mahinder and others. Okay, thank you. Let me get started. So MV is basically, what is that MV is dear? MV is basically, it will move some file or any file, whatever you are giving it out to some other, to some other place. Okay, that means you can say that it will move your file to some other location. Okay, that is called a MV command. Okay, let me do that. Okay, is it okay now, Mashim? Wasim, is it better now? Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay, good. Yes, Avan, thank you. Let's go to that. So what I did in that, okay, let's see that I am in which location? I am into Linux Hyderabad location. Okay. So let's see that what all the file we do have. I have a file called ls and I have let me create one more file here because you already moved. Let's do one more time. Let me create one file called touch. And let's make it as a file.txt, right? File.txt. So I just creating a file called file.txt. You can give a content. If you don't want, you cannot give it. That's not a problem at all. Okay. Let me give it the content file.txt. Okay. Now here the editor open. Okay. Let me give something. I wanted to save it. Okay. So let's see the content, whatever I given. This I gave you. Okay, now what is the next thing? Next thing is, buddy, I have a file called let's imagine that. Okay, I am not sure like it's working. It's only happening with Washim, you only or others also. Hey guys, like Shawant and other, can you please respond whether you are able to hear me very properly? Shawant and other guys. Abhay, Abhilash, Aniket, Bala, everyone. Are you able to hear me? Okay. Okay. Is it better now, or like you want me to like check it once again? Is it better? Karuna, Aniket, Prashim, others. Is it better now? Still low. What are others? We can hear you clearly. Check it if your mic is far. It's near to my mouthpiece, buddy. Hmm? We're good to hear. I can hear. Guys, if you're not able to hear, do one thing. Can you please increase your volume from your like no drop down? Because it's good for me now, I guess. Check it out, buddy. Let's fix it out first. Hmm? Okay. Fine. Fine, dear. Okay. Fine. Let's get started, guys. I think it's not a problem from our side. Like maybe not. You might have some network issues because someone is having working fine and someone is not fine. Okay. Just figure it out because it's like good volume, right? Okay. So just figure out your internet connectivity, buddy, please. Okay. Right. So we were discussing the move command. Okay. Right. Understand. Move command. So move for we are cutting one no like a file from one place to other place. Right. That is the move command. Okay. So that we have to do. Right. So created one file called file.txt. Okay. Let me do one thing. I'll try to move this file. Okay. So for that, what would be the syntax? MB file name. What is the file name? File.txt. Where I have to move? I have to move to which location? Let me go to that location. I wanted to move my file to here. Okay. Let me copy this and let me paste out. Okay. So we have an option of pasting, right? Let me right click and paste it, right? It should not work because we have some no like forward slash, it's in the different direction. Okay, it's backward slash. So let me go ahead and make the changes in that. Okay, let's come over here. Let's move it to forward slash. Let's make it to forward slash. Let's make it to forward slash, and again let's make it to forward slash. If this is the case, if we'll try to enter, your file will move. Okay, which file? File.txt will move to that particular location. Clear here? Okay. So it has moved. Clear? Very good. So now I wanted to go and check whether this time my file.txt should not be there in that location. Okay. Enter that. So do we have any other file with this name? No, we don't have no file.txt. Don't worry. Let me go back to my other steps. Okay. Let's see here. Do we have a file here? Yes, we do have a file here. Okay. Clear now? Right. So what is the next one we have to see? Remove. Remove is nothing. It's for delete. Okay. How it will work for the move? Only thing, delete, you don't have to give any destination. Okay. It will go to recycle bin only automatically. Okay. So you don't have to give any like destination for that. Just write rm and just give the file name. Okay. Let me do that. Okay. Let's see how many files are there. I have hello.txt. Okay. So I'll try to do that. Hello.txt. Well, it's gone, right? Okay. Fine. Cat, you already know that, right? Content, very good. Echo. Guys, echo is very simple. Nothing is there in that. Whatever you wanted to display on the screen, okay, that will be the echo. Let's see. I want to display my echo Azure DevOps trainer. So that will come on my screen. Simple. Okay. All right. Let me go back to another one. Man. Guys, this command, I'm not sure it will work in the window or not. This is for the help actually. Okay. So let me click it out. It will not work because basically if you go to the Linux operating system machine, okay, it will be creating a help. So it will open a window Then you can type something what you want that you wanted to know that you can click it out. Okay, right here. Fine. Next is who am I? Okay, as if you don't know who you are. Okay, so let's see if you wanted to see where we will do that. So what happens now in the organization? A same system can be used in multiple ways. Okay, so what the window is doing it? They are creating the different users. They are creating the different users. Okay, if we have a different users, let's see Naveen has logged in. Tomorrow Washim will log in. Tomorrow Aniket will log in, right? So he'll log in with his credentials, right? Okay, now. So what credentials they log in, it will come. Let's see, I am writing as a who am I? Okay. So it will tell you are admin. That means you are logged in with the admin username. Got the point? So here also you can see that, buddy. Okay, no? Right. This is the small things. Let's come down here. Okay. Sudo. I told you the sudo, right? Sudo is nothing. It is a command to get the external permission after entering the password only. So what happens is anytime, let's say today morning I tried to work on my system. I wanted to download something. When I'm typing the code, download something. Okay, what are the code that is coming from the Linux operating system to download the Chrome or anything it could be. Whatever it is coming up here, right? So if you wanted to do it, no, it will first ask the password. One time it will ask the password. Okay, first time it will ask the password. Okay, it will ask the password one time. So if you give the password, then only it will go inside and it will try start downloading or whatever it could be. It will come up. Clear? So you have to write sudo and write something, but it will not work. Okay, this is not a Linux operating system. It will not work. Okay, clear? Fine. So next is grep. Usually grep is main famous for your Linux operating system here. Okay. So what will happen? It will highlight the value of the file. Let's see that. How many files are there here? No file. Let me create one file. Okay. Let's see apple. Okay. .txt. And I'll go with the vi apple.txt. Let's see ram. Okay. Sam. Okay. Hari. Suresh. Rajesh. Huh? Okay. Okay. Lokesh. Happy. Okay. Let's go ahead here and try to save this. Okay. Now we are having this kind of. Okay. Let me see that. What is the command name? Grep ram apple.txt. Okay. So what is happening here? It will not go inside the file and it'll pick up from there. Okay. Let's see, you are giving some content in that. Okay. Let me show you that. Okay. Let's see that. Grep. Hello. Okay. Apple.txt. Usually what it comes if you're gonna use for the Linux operating system. Okay. Linux machine, I'm telling one second, please. When you're giving that Linux system, you are having Apple, right? Inside the content of the Apple, if you're having the hello, it will highlight that hello. Okay. So this grep is mainly work for your Linux machine, but I'm telling you how it will work. What is the content of Apple here? What is the content of Apple, buddy? Okay, these all guys are content of Apple. If you have made it in the Linux machine grep, it will highlight that. If you're using the RAM, so it will become like something RAM highlighted in some blue color or green color, it will highlight and come. Okay, that is for that query. Okay, now next is short. If you wanted to sort the list of files with you, okay, so it will sort it. Let me give you the sort. Okay, I have, what is that? Apple.txt. Okay, so can you see this? This is not the real one. Okay, see the real one is Ram is coming first. Then Sham is coming second. Then Hari, then Suresh, then Rajesh, then Lokesh, right? But what is coming here? It's coming at alphabet. Now it's a quick question for you. What to do for this alphabetical ascending order? I want you to get for the descending order. For the point, I want to, this is a quick assignment for you. Let me write it out also. You have to find out. Okay, it's there, it's here, okay? But I don't want to, I will not show you. Okay. See, again, I'm telling you, one look you want to look it, okay? Time's up. Assignment, okay? What is assignment, buddy? First is find the way to see the content. Please have a look here. To see the content in the descending order, basically sorting. Okay, right here. Okay, you have to find out. I have a solution, but I'll not tell you. You just try to explore it. Okay. How is the work going on this one? Yeah? Merge conflict. Yesterday, I really appreciate two girl has submitted. Okay, they already have done the execution. They already have taken the screenshot. They have already given that. Don't know that. Let me check it out. Let's appreciate her. No? Dipali. Are you online, Dipali? Hey, Dipali, really appreciate you. Okay, thank you so much for your quick assignment here. Thank you. Perfect, thank you. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this, buddy. Okay, find the way to see the content. We have many more to come. Okay, don't worry. This is not only the assignment. Okay, you'll also get a chance to get it appreciated. Don't worry. Okay, great. So let's come over here. Sorting. Okay, sorting means to sort the content in the some ascending, descending, your choice. By default, it would be ascending only. If you want to make it descending, you have to make it some other parameter you have to use. Okay, good. Next is ID. Basically, any system will have 3 ID. Okay, unique ID would be there, group ID would be there, and the entity ID would be there for any system. This system, your system, any system. If you will type this no here, you get 3 IDs. Okay, unique ID would be there, group ID would be there, and groups number, how many groups would be there. Basically, this and this will be the same. Okay, that will get it. Let's see if you wanted to get it your only unique ID. What you will do? ID minus U. Let's see you wanted to get only group ID minus G. Right? Something like that. Just practice every command here, okay? Come on. We'll see till here. We'll see. Yes, very important and very, what do you say? Interesting one. Okay, this command is you have to work on the exercise. Now we'll do the exercise. Okay, cut is nothing, it's trimming, right? No, cutting from somewhere to somewhere, right? That is a trim actually. Okay, that is called as a cut. Let's try to understand, my dear friend. Okay, I have already one file is there with me, right? ls. What is the file name? I have apple.txt, right? Very good. Let's see the content first. Content of the cut. Hurry. No. Let me make it another file here. Let's make it another file. Touch food.txt. Okay. Let me go with that food. You guys will say, my name is been cutting. Why? That's why I'm doing this. Okay. Right. Let's see. Here I'll make it as the apple. Okay. Banana. Okay. Let's see grapes. Let's see orange. Don't tell me to write pomegranate spelling, okay? Don't expect me that. Okay, that's fine. Now, okay, no? Apple, banana, orange, the seasonal fruits, now mango, okay? Good. So let's see that I have a content of this file, okay? I wanted to trim it. Trim it means I wanted to get first 2 letter, second 2 letter, third letter. Actually, this is not asking the Azure DevOps. Please understand. Only cut command they'll ask you. What is the command to trim some word? You will not be using it anywhere. Okay, believe me. You guys will not be using it anywhere. Okay. For AWS guys, somewhere they have to use it. Okay, that's why they are learning it. For you, why I'm teaching you the reason for that to clear the interview. That's all. Main agenda for this session is be to clear the interview. Grep command, cut command, trim command, free command. Okay. We said that RM command, RM directive. This is just for interview clearance. That's all. Nothing apart from that. Okay. Understand that. Let me trim this. Okay. So how to trim it? Let me save it first. Okay. Let me save it. So what is the file we have? Cat. Let's clear it first. Cat. Food.tick. This is the real word. Okay. I want you to trim it. Okay. If I wanted to trim it, what to do? We have option of cut, but you have to understand in detail way. Okay. You have to understand in detail way. Understand it first. So let's see that I want to get my content as a PPL. What do I want to get? PPL. I want you to get a content as a and right? Okay, like that. I want to get as RAP 41. Okay, 4. Like this. Let's see, I want you to get as a RANG. Let's say I wanted to get as a and GO. So something like that. I want you to trim from forward. I want to trim from backward. Something like that. Okay, leave that. Just understand it. It is not mandatory for you. Only cut command is used to trim the word. That is quite enough in the interview. Okay. They'll not ask. They'll not give any word and they'll please trim this. Okay. But you should know that. It's an interesting one. That's why I'm telling. Understand. Command is cut minus C. 1 minus C. Oh, sorry, minus 5. Then what is the file name is root.txt. Is the same, right? Okay, yes. File not right, root.txt. First understand. I'll do it one time, then you'll come to know, okay? Let me type it again here. Okay. Cut. You wanted to get what, buddy? This you wanted to get, right? Okay, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do it first, then I'll explain it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like minus C. 5. Minus 2. 2. I'll explain it, don't worry. Okay. Decreasing the invalid, decreasing the ends, cut help for the more information. So, cut. Okay, 1 minute. Cut C2. Okay, minus 5. I think I did opposite. Minus 5. So dot. Yes. I did opposite actually here. Now see, if I am giving this, what is the logic behind this? Come to last. C2, 5 is the right. Come to 5. First focus 5. 5. What is the logic of the 5? Understand please. 5. 5 means you wanted to get the 5 letters, 5 alphabets actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay, no? Here come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are considering this only. What's the point? Come always last. 5 means you are considering first 5 letters. Clear? Got it? Very good. Now the first number what we are using it here is a 2. That means you wanted to start from there. You get the point? So let's see, buddy. BANAN is a word. Now you wanted to start from where? Second. What is the second one? ANAN. Clear? PPLE. RANG. Yes or no? Right? ANGO, right? So tell me one thing. Then if you understand that, tell me what is the logic for this? If I wanted to write as a C4 hyphen, 5. Okay, root.txt. Tell me what is the content there. Online guys, please come on. What is that here? LTANBENG. Perfect. Good. Okay. Right. Others? Online folks? Let me check it out. AMIPS. Okay. So it will be coming like something like here. Okay. Right now. Always think it in easiest way. Yeah. Don't go in the first. C2. Why it is coming to. No. Go at last. Copy that word. Then from starting, remove that. Trim the first one. Go with the next one. Clear? Okay. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Good. Now I have one statement for that. Okay. Let me edit it. Vi root.txt. Yeah. Let me edit that. Okay. Hello. How are you, my friend? Okay, friend. So let's see. I wanted to trim this. Okay. First, let me clear it. This cat code.txt. Now I wanted to trim this. Okay. I wanted to trim this. Cut minus C 8. Make it 10. 10 minus 6 root.txt. Link it and let me know. What I did then? Oh, always first this one, then that one. Okay, pardon me again. Cut minus C6 minus 10, then root.txt. Okay, you have to tell me this. I don't know. No. Think it. Think it, guys. Okay, space. How? Space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, yeah. Perfect. Okay, no. A will not come. Washim, A will not come. Ramesh, how are you? Will not come. Understand, please. Space also matters. The space also is accountable here. Okay? Space also is accountable here. See, HELLO is 5. 6 is space. That's why space has come. 7 is how? HOW is 9. And space also again coming. You're not able to see anyway, but this is coming. Okay? Fine, leave this. This is. But interview they'll not ask you to do it. Okay? Interview they'll ask you what is the command used for the trimming. Okay, like that they'll ask. Leave it. Now come back here. Okay. Next one is, this is for evolution. This is, leave it. Okay. History till 3 command is important. Understand, please. Let's see if you wanted to type history. Okay. Till your system has logged in. Starting all the history of the command, whatever you entered, it will come. So I might have used 583 commands so far. So history of all the commands will come here. Can you see here? I might have used these many commands. Okay. Now here we have option call. Okay. Here we have option call history 5. I'll get that last 5. Now this is a quick question to you. How to find out one assignment, right? Second assignment. How to find out first 5 history of the command. Did you get it? I'm getting last one. I want first one. Got the point? There also you want to see the solution? No, you try it, okay? You try it. Okay, you try it here. Fine here? Sure. Okay. So guys, this is, you have to by heart this all command, believe me. Okay, one more I left out, no? Free. Let me discuss that free. Free is something not like you are getting something in the free, okay? This is how many space is free in your system. Okay? Enter that. No, it will not work yet. Okay. Basically, I'll tell you what is that free. Free is a command to get the space in your system, how much free space you have in your system. Okay. So that will come in the KB, like 105019 KB, something it will come. So that much of amount of memory that is free in your system. What's the point? You should know that. Anyway, it is a Linux command, but you should know that. Free is to get the free storage of your system. That will automatically come in the KB. KB. If you want to go for the GB minus G. Right? MB minus M. Something like that. But it is the window, right? It will not work out here. Right. Now find here. So you might have understand it, right? So I already have shared this all to you yesterday class only. Yesterday I shared this note to you. I request every one of you to go and do at least one time. At least do one time. Okay. That is more than sufficient. Now, you can expect minimum 1 or 2 interview questions. Like basically they'll ask you the grep, cut, remove, free. These all they'll ask you. Okay. Fine. Next thing is, guys, I'll move to the next part that we have to do it. I'll come back to here, my notes here. Let's see. So what all things we have done and what is still pending. SDLC override. Agile. In DevOps, we have done that board and repo. Pipeline we haven't started, will not start also. Okay. We'll start it once we get the app services. Then we'll come to the repo, portal account, right? Now it's a time to come to the portal account. Okay. So buddy, GitHub done, right? Linux, okay. Now I'll take you to the app services. I'll take you to the app services, buddy. Git UI will be done in the app services only, Seventh. Git UI will be done in the app services only. One place when we'll do that pipeline, no. That time I'll teach you how to deal with the Git UI. You'll learn it here. App services will go for 2-3 days of time. Today, tomorrow, maybe not today after tomorrow, but today, tomorrow it will go 2 days. Understand, please. What is app services? Let's understand first. Okay, let's try to understand it. Okay, let me see that. Let me show you one thing. Let's see, you are working on one application called Flipkart. Okay. Now, there in the Flipkart, we'll have a 3 type of component that you have to get into that. What all those are? Any website, front end, back end, and database that you know already. Front end, back end, and database. Very good. Let's see that. This is front end. This guy is back end. And this guy is database. Let's imagine that this is front end. This is back end. And this is, okay, database. Okay. So let me write it also. FP B and BB. Okay. Now understand please. Front end is for what purpose? For UI. Presentation of the screen, presentation of the website. If you wanted to go ahead and add some front end code into that, you can easily go ahead and create some front end look by creating the website that is called the app services. Okay. Backend you can deal with the help of function app, and database you can deal with the help of Azure SQL. Okay. So that 3 part you have to understand here. Okay. What is that, buddy? App services, function app, and Azure SQL. These 3 part I will be teaching you. Okay. Don't worry. So I'll start you first with the app services. Okay. Before I take you to app services, you should know where these all guys would be there. Basically, whatever you guys have seen so far, board, repo, and then GitHub and all, right? This all is a part of DevOps. Azure. We have a two component. Nobody. Azure DevOps and Azure Cloud. So Azure DevOps, it was a part of Azure DevOps. We have major part is still pending. Pipeline, build pipeline, release pipeline, artifact. These three guys are pending. But these three guys will go for another 1 month of time. We'll take the use of some services, we'll do that. We'll take some services, we'll deploy it. So like that, it has to go. Okay. So let's first introduce the very first part that is called as a app services. Okay. Very good. Let's understand, buddy, here. Let's understand. B is a backend. Backend means, I'll tell you when we will discuss that. Let me tell you now only. See, Bashim, let's see. You are going to one restaurant. Okay. You're going to restaurant for one like lunch or dinner, whatever. Will the chef will come and take the order, or like waiter will come and take the order? Waiter will come and take the order. So you are giving some order, right? So waiter will be become as a front end for you. You can see that waiter, right? So that guy is a front end for you. You are seeing the services of that, right? Very good. Now you are saying that I need a biryani, I need a like chapati, I need a juice, I need a pizza, burger, whatever you want that. You say that, right? So whatever you are saying that, right? Whatever you are saying that, okay, that will be going to your kitchen. It will go back end where we have a chef or cook who will start preparing it. You don't know the cook. You haven't seen how they are cooking also, what material they are using. But when it get ready, it will come to your plate. So who will bring again? Front end will bring. Chef will not come. Front end guys will come and no. Chef, what is that? This name? Waiter will come and give you. So the item that you are seeing the table, that you haven't seen who has cooked, right? So, but that is. So the guy who is sitting backside and doing something, that is called as a backend. Do you get the point? Now understand. You are sending a message hi to WhatsApp to your friends. Okay. So it is going to your friend, but there might be something happening in the backend also, right? This all part will be called as a backend. Do you get the point, buddy? Okay. Was him clear, no? What is a technical? Yes, what is a technical team? Technical team is nothing but it. Technical team is having three types. Front-end developer, back-end developer, database developer. So front-end guys will create application, okay? Let's see, I'll give you a more example, okay? So that will be useful for you. This is Flipkart, okay? Okay. So whatever you are seeing in the screen, this is a part of your front-end. You get the point, buddy? Front-end. Let's see, I wanted to see for one, let's say I wanted to see for one phone. Okay. So I want to search for iPhone 13 or something, iPhone 13, let's see 14. I clicked on it. When I'm clicking on it, what is happening? It is going to backend. From backend, the data is getting from the Azure SQL or like not Azure SQL. I'm from the Azure, that's what I'm saying the Azure. It may be like AWS also. It may be some other thing. But it is going that it is the backend guy is going to the database and picking up and they are giving to you. This is the part that you have to understand. Got the point, buddy? Wasim, it's clear, right? Okay, good. Fine. Let's come to our part. Okay. Oh yeah, portal account I'm discussing it now. So basically, portal account is nothing but it's like how you are trying to log in with your DevOps account. It's similar to that only. If anyone wanted me to create an account on their behalf, please give me the credentials, but you have to give the detail of your account, debit card and all. Anyone here? Okay, you take care of this part. Okay, I'll go to my account. Only thing what you have to do, you just go to the portal.azure.com. Try to use the same email ID what we have used for your dev.azure.com. It's not mandatory, again I'm telling you. But first time at least do it. After 1 month anyway get expired. So use the very first time, same email ID you are using it. Let's see, I'm gonna use it. Same email ID here, okay? Come here. So when you're gonna use it, okay, it will come like this. It will come like this, okay? But for you guys, it will not come like this. For you guys, it will come like this one. If you're the first time user, it will come like this. It will come like this, okay? So you can say this, you'll get a message here, and here you'll getting as a default directory. Default directory you'll getting it. Now it'll ask you welcome to Azure. As you know that, buddy, Azure is a paid, it's not free. DevOps is free, but Azure is not free. You have to pay for that, okay? But don't get worried. We have a two type. One is free account and one is free subscription and one is a paid subscription. Free subscription will give you 15,800 rupee to you. Paid subscription is a kind of credit card. You use it and pay it. Use it and pay it. Okay, that is a part. But free subscription, you have to enter the detail. Let's see. I'm seeing that. Can you see? Start the Azure free trial. Let me go and start it. Okay, let's go there. You'll be asked to start free. So let me try to enter that. Always click on start free, okay? Come here. So it will ask you to go here. Again, once again, it will allow to log in. For my case, I'm already having the account, right? That's why it looks like already having an Azure account, okay? But for your case, what will happen is it will open a window, okay? It will open a window. It will ask you to make the payment. It will ask you enter the first name, second name, last name, address. Use the debit card, credit card details to you. Give the debit card, credit card detail with the card details with CVV, expiry, okay? Then you have to click on like mailing address, give the mailing address, give the phone number. It will validate the phone number. And then after that, from your card or debit card or credit card, 2 rupee will get debited. 2 rupee will get debited, okay? So that 2 rupee will be get debited from your account. Now, on the behalf of 2 rupee, you'll get 15,800 rupee. Good business, right? Investing 2 rupee, you are getting 15,000 rupee. But don't be so happy, okay? That 15,800 will not be in your account. It will be in that wallet of your Azure account. Okay? So 15,800 will come to your Azure account. Okay? In Azure account, now whatever the services you are using it, you have to pay for that. So usually if you use wisely, it will not be crossing more than 10,000 also for entire month. And that will be valid for 30 days of time. That's why I told you, don't create any account. It is starting of the class. Okay, because first 2 weeks I won't use it, no? Now you can go ahead and create it here. So it will go for 1 month. Now this is July 19th, right? It will go to the next month. We need one more account. After 1 month, we need one more time. Then after that, I'll expect you all to get a job, okay? So no need to go for that another account. You get an office account already. Okay? So thing is, buddy, here, understand please. First time you have to manage it. Now again, the drawback of this is all the debit card, all the credit card will not be eligible for this. Visa is fine and no, American no. Master also is good. Visa also okay, Master also okay, American also, but Rupee will not work out. Okay? Because this is for your US purpose, buddy. This is I'm like Microsoft in USA, right? Headquarters, so their Rupee will be valid in India only. Okay? So Visa and others will be valid in US anywhere, but Rupee will be valid in your India only. Okay, it's dedicated to India only. So you will be getting a Visa card and other card. Choice is yours. Other card you can go without. Okay. Now understand that too. If you give the Visa also and other card also, no, they'll not allow you. Some card. Now don't fight with me, buddy. Okay. Tomorrow some card is not working out. It's not in my hand. Okay. It's in Azure hand. What happened? They have some criteria. I don't know even what is the parameter for them, but some card is not eligible, even if it is a Visa, even if it's a Master also. Clear? So you don't have to worry at all. I'll suggest you, okay, go in the group. Let's see if your friends, 4 or 5 guys, create one account. Let's see this time he is creating the account. Other guys use the same credentials. Once the 1 month is over, term is yours. You create the account. He should use the same credentials. Okay, so that you can save some money. Okay, got the point? Everyone offline online guys, 15,000 will expire after 1 month. You are right. 15,800 rupees will sharply expire on 30th day. Okay, and right, buddy, 30th day it will sharply start it. But don't worry, if someone is not able to create any free account also, for that also you don't have to worry at all. Okay, we have a solution, but that is bit not risky, I can say, but you have to be very proactive. Okay, for that we have an option called pay as you go also. Pay as you go also. If you use it very keenly, if you use it, what I'm telling you, if you use it that way, okay, you'll be getting bill around 1,000 rupee for 1 month. 1,000 rupee 1 month. See, again I'm telling you, I'll tell you 1 minute, hold on. 1,000 rupee 1 month, 1 minute. In GMR, no? And subscription was in GMR. First. Yes. See, we have option called no. Okay. Email subscription then Hyderabad. This Hyderabad GMR I'm doing, no, this is a part of your Azure Active class. Azure Active Directory I will teach you. Yeah. See, can you see the pay as you go? So let me click on the pay as you go. Okay, this is how much I'll use. I have to pay it for next month to Azure. Okay, that means that amount will be debited from my card. Okay, so can you see? Okay. I have to pay 1,700 rupee, 50 rupee to this guy next month. Okay, this is not a free account. I know what is the reason. You know what happened? Friday it was 500 only. Monday it became 1,200. You know why? I have created one virtual machine. Okay, I have created one virtual machine. 16 GB memory space I have taken it. Okay, and I didn't stop it by mistake. Okay, what happened? Saturday, Sunday, all day the billing came. So that's why it became this much of amount. Okay. Anyway, we have one option also to make you some alarm. If you're crossing this, send me the mail. We have that option. Okay. Then I'll teach you in that bit late. Okay, not now. Now understand that. Let me go back to all the services. Let me stop. I have something about it. Virtual machine there. Okay, so let's see. I'm assuming that you all have an account with you now. Okay, you all have a account with you now, and you have to create the subscription. Free subscription. You guys go with a free subscription. Okay, so now we have an option called app services. Can you see here? App services. App services means how like you are creating the account called Flipkart.com, or you're getting ghmc.com, or you're getting incometax.com. Okay, so you are creating this website, right? This website would be created by whom? Who will create this website here? Who will create the website, buddy? The website would be created by DevOps. Savant, yes. I'm not talking only just income tax, buddy. Let's see that it could be Flipkart. It could be Amazon. Anyone, dear. You're right. Obviously, government of India will do, but their guys, they'll give the contact to somebody. Okay, who will create it, right here? Okay, let's get Amazon.com. So Amazon.com, this website is there. This website will be created by which one? Whether it will be developed by a developer or a database or front end or DevOps, who will do that? Actually, website has to be created by DevOps only. Got the point? DevOps guys will create the website, and that is nothing but it's called as a app services. What is that here? App services. Like how you can see that Amazon.com, right? But if we will create it, we'll get an Amazon 123 dot on Microsoft.com, because my server, I'm trying to use a server of, I'm trying to host my application to the Microsoft. Okay. Later you might have heard it, the GoDaddy and all, you have heard it, right? So they will give you one host to the server. Okay. They'll host your server to some, so they'll host your website to some server. Okay. You can take it on Microsoft, you can take it on Amazon, you can take it anywhere. Okay. That's fine. We'll discuss it a bit later. Let's try to focus more on the portal.account first. Okay. I'm over here now. Now, click on then no money will be deducted from the debit card if they deduct from your yes, you are right, Mona Alisha. It will get debited from your account only. No, pardon me. It will get debited from your free trial. Okay, that 15,800 it will get debited from there. Until unless you are not moving to pay as you go, it will not be debited from your account. Don't worry. Okay. Now we have an option to. I'll not be doing with this. Leave it. Okay, because you get. I have to explain more. But main thing I can tell you here. Let's see. You wanted to create a website. Let me do it. Okay. Do anyone have a doubt? Guys, anyone have a doubt? Because if you don't have doubt, then I'll do it. Otherwise, if you have doubt, then I can go extend your class. Anyone? Aim doubt, Leda? No doubt you have? No. Perfect then here. Okay. Very good then. So let me do it. Okay. I'll create that app services now. Understand please. The option here is called as a app services. Or if, since it is frequently used, no permits coming up. For you guys, it will be the first time it will not come. So you have to type it here as a search app services. Okay. Just click on the app services. It will come like this. So I have already this account. This guy is running it. Okay. This guy is only creating a shop for me and getting the bill. Okay. What you have to do, you have to click on the create web app. You wanted to create a web application, no? So let's click on the create web app. Now understand. This is one of the service of the portal account, app services. The very first you have to understand. If you're making this, that means you are making a website. Okay. The dummy website. I'm not dummy, it's a real website only. But only thing is, no, we don't have any content in that. Okay. So let me do it. So what subscription you wanted to use? Pay as you go. For you, it will be free trial. Okay. Let's come on here. Usually you have to create a resource group. If you don't have resource group, just click on the create new, create one resource group. Your resource group will come here. Clear? Okay. You have to click on the Naveen Trading. I'm doing it. For you, it will be something different. Okay. Come here. You don't have to worry at all, buddy. I'll repeat once again tomorrow also. Why your face is something like that, okay? Okay, I'll stop it. Don't worry. Okay. I'll stop it. I'll not do it, okay? Leave it. Let me explain you all this portal first. Okay. I'll make you comfortable in the portal first. Understand. This portal, have a look please. This Microsoft portal will not be only used by you. Okay, I'll come back to Chandrasekhar. Hold on. This, I'm not going to the app service now. I stopped it. We'll start tomorrow class. Okay, don't worry. Let's discuss first on the portal. You are seeing the portal here, right? Here. This portal will not be used by only you. You guys able to see? I have a doubt. Okay, fine. So see, this portal will not be only used by your DevOps guys. This portal will be used by Azure DevOps, Azure development, Azure data engineer. Okay, different guys, Azure development. Okay, all guys will use the same portal. Now here you have to do what you need, that use it, other you leave it. Okay, so now here we will be making the services of these all. Can you see that? These all services will face it here. We'll try to find out the Azure App Services, storage, Azure SQL. AAD stands for Azure Active directory, virtual machine, function app, Kubernetes, that's all. An ARM template. Okay. So where you can find out, I'll make you comfortable now. First, understand. In this, we have a mainly four guys. One is called as a subscription. Subscription means, as you know, no, this is a paid one, right? So you have to create a subscription for that. Like how you are, let's say you have a SIM card. You have a SIM card with you. But if you don't have any active pack, what it will do? Nothing, right? You'll not get a call. You'll not call also. You don't have a valid active pack. So when you're dialing, no, you don't have any recharge or something, you're getting the message, right? Same thing as subscription here also. If you have a free subscription, well and good. Okay, you get all the service available for 1 month of time. Okay, you can make the amount of that. Now in this, few services are free, few services are paid, like app services. If you go the basic one, it is a free. If you go the advanced one, it will be paid. Virtual machine, no free at all. Where with the virtual machine, it is like no killer, very high charges. Okay, so you have to be very aware of during the virtual machine. You can see that amount not due to the virtual machine only. Okay, otherwise you have one below 500 only. Okay, so buddy, these all services you have to very aware of it. Okay, now understand that. Next is resources. Understand the resource. What is the resource? Understand. Let's see, my dear friend. I'm Naveen. So in my organization, I might be working on 3 different projects. Let's see, I'm working on I'm working for one Wells Fargo. I'm working for GHMC. I'm working for Hyderabad Metro Rail. It might be the condition, right? So same guy is working in 3 different projects. But when he is coming and creating any services in that Azure, he'll get confused. So what Azure has decided that let's try to go ahead and divide the separate 3 tasks for this guy. So you have to create one resource group for that Wells Fargo, create another resource group for your Hyderabad Metro Rail, create another resource group for your GHMC. Whenever you have to work for that Hyderabad Metro Rail, drop down, choose HMRL. Whenever you're working for GHMC, choose GHMC. Now all the services will go and sit in that resource group. So it will be easy for you. You get the point, buddy? Okay, I'll show you how. Let's see, we have a resource group here. These many resource group, I have it. If I go to my Naveen resource group, can you see? These all services are active for me. That means that I have created these all services in my. Okay, what's the point here? Let me take you to some other resource group. I'll take you to this batch. So I don't have anything. Got it? So that is your resource group. So you're comfortable enough, right? Now let me move to some other part here. Have a look here. All resource. All the resources means everything will come. Resource group will come, subscription will come, all the services will come. Now here, mainly you have to guys understand here over is, in this side, okay, this is something called as a feedback. If you wanted to throw a feedback something to the Microsoft, that is something called feedback. Here, if you have to connect any support, you wanted to raise any question and concern, let's see something is not. Azure is like Microsoft, handled by Microsoft, right? So you have an option, buddy. You can create any ticket here. I mean to say that you can raise it any concern here. Okay. So I'm facing some issues. So you can create any support ticket here. Let me create a support ticket. Let's see something is not working for me. So you can type it. You can raise a concern. After that, like Microsoft will reply back to you. Clear? Got the point? Next is called as a notification. So you can see that just now I deleted something, no? So that is something as a notification will come out here. Okay. Next is called as a directory and subscription. If you click on it, how many directories you have? How many tenant? Basically tenant. Okay. This is called as a tenant. This will discuss in the entire detail in the Azure Active class. So right now I'm in Hyderabad tenant. Can you see here? If I wanted to move to GHMC, click it here. You can go there. That will discuss in separate class. Don't worry. Next one is called as a cloud sale. That is the last part. In the cloud sale only we'll learn it as a Kubernetes. We'll learn it as a Ansible. We'll learn as a PowerShell. This is all we'll learn it here. Okay. So far it's this only. Please be ready with your account tomorrow class. Tomorrow we'll have a discussion on the app services. I'll try to deploy the app services with 2 different ways. One, without help of ADO account. Another with the help of ADO. ADO means Azure Active. No. Azure DevOps. ADO means Azure DevOps. Okay. ADO means DevOps. Yeah. Dev.azure.com, right? We have a code and all pipeline. So tomorrow I'll try to create one app services, and without help of DevOps account, I'll try to deploy the app services. So deployments, what I'll do? No, I'll try to create one website. Let's see Flipkart. Okay, I'll create it. I'll hand over this website to the development team. Development team will give the code, right? They'll give the code to me. I'll push the code to the website. That is something called as a pipeline. Build pipeline, release pipeline. That is the one thing, right? That I'll not be doing it tomorrow. Tomorrow, without help of build pipeline, release pipeline, I want to deploy my code. Or okay, that is called as a publish profile. We come to know together. So now the real game is getting started. Very okay. Slowly we'll come to the app services, function app, Azure SQL, Docker, Kubernetes, everything we do. Okay, right? Yeah.